A place where the countryside forever thrills, with fields of wheat that stretch so far, and the Judith Mountains, a towering star. In the heart of Montana, this city stands, a place of wonder, with wide open lands.
With rivers and streams and wildlife so free, and sunsets that light up the prairie sea. Lewistown, a city that's both old and new, a place where history and progress pursue.
Where the streets are lined with shops and diners, and the people are friendly, in all their timers. With rodeos and fairs, and hiking too, there's something for all, in all that you do.
In Lewistown, a city of dreams and hope, where life is rich, and the spirit cope. So come and visit, and stay a while, in this city of wonder, with a charming smile. Where the countryside calls, and the air is pure, and the beauty of nature will forever allure. Lewistown, a city of pride and strength, a place to cherish, with its spirit of length.